Welcome back to Language Learning. Welcome back to Sepedi Lessons channel. So I welcome you to a 21-day Sepedi challenge. This is day 1 of 21. So in this challenge, we are going to be measuring your level of Sepedi proficiency and how well you are familiar with Sepedi phrases and words. So in this challenge, we're going to be working like this. So we're going to be doing questions and answer sessions. So I'm going to be displaying multiple questions on the screen, and I'm going to be giving you a chance to choose the correct answer. So I encourage you to have a notebook and a pen so that you can write down important points. So in this challenge, So day 1, we are going to be doing common conversational phrases and greetings in Sepedi. So each question has a mark allocation. So at the end of the video, please drop what mark you got so that we can be able to track your progress. So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first one we have hello. Is it A, dumela, or B, ke gona? So I'm going to be giving you 5 seconds to choose the correct answer. So the answer is A, dumela. Hello means dumela. Our second, we have how are you? Is it A, go bjang, or B, go lokile? So the correct answer is A, go bjang. How are you? Go bjang. So why is it not B? So B says go lokile. Go lokile means I am fine. It would have been correct if the phrase was I am fine. So instead the question is how are you, which means go bjang. So the next one we have I'm fine. What about you? Is it A, go lokile ke botšiša wena, or B, re tsogile? So the correct answer is A, go lokile ke botšiša wena. I'm fine. What about you? Go lokile ke botšiša wena. Why is it not B, re tsogile? So re tsogile means I am well. It will have been correct if the phrase was I am well. So the next one we have what is your name? Is it A, sefane sa gago ke mang, or B, leina la gago ke wena mang? So the correct option is B, leina la gago ke wena mang. So why is it not A? So A says sefane sa gago ke wena mang. It would have been correct if the question was what is your surname? So surname is called sefane. Name is called leina. So the next one we have what is your surname? So this has to be very easy for you. So we have A, sefane sa gago ke mang, B, leina la gago ke mang. So the correct answer is A, sefane sa gago ke wena mang. So we have discussed this in the previous question. What is your surname? Sefane sa gago ke wena mang. Surname means sefane. Name means lein. So the next one we have I'm glad to know you. Is it A, ke thabela go go bona, or B, ke thabela go go tseba? So the correct answer is B, ke thabela go go tseba. Why is it not A? A says ke thabela go go bona. It would have been A if the phrase was I'm glad to see you. See means bona. So in this case is no. No means tseba. So that's why our correct option is going to be ke thabela go go tseba. The next one we have where do you live? Is it A, o dula kae, or B, ke dula South Africa? So the correct answer is A, o dula kae. Where do you live? O dula kae. So this is a question. Why is it not B? B is not a question. Ke dula South Africa. It is the answer to the question. it would have been correct if the phrase was I live in South Africa. Instead, the question is where do you live? Udula kae. So the next one we have I am from South Africa. Is it A, ke dula South Africa, or B, ke tswa South Africa? So the correct option is B, ke tswa South Africa. So why is it not A? A says ke dula South Africa, which means I live in South Africa. Instead, the phrase says I am from. From means tswa, from, tswa. Stay or live means dula. Our next one we have see you tomorrow. Is it A, ke tla go bona le hono, or B, ke tla go bona kusasa? So our correct option is B, ke tla go bona kusasa. See you tomorrow. Ke tla go bona kusasa. So why is it not A? A says ke tla go bona le hono. Le hono means today. It would have been correct if the phrase was see you today. Instead, it says see you tomorrow, which means ke tla go bona kusasa. Tomorrow, kusasa. Today means le hono. The last one we have goodbye. Goodbye. Is it A, shala gabotse, or B, ke tla go bona? So the correct option is A, shala gabotse. So why is it not B? B says ke tla go bona, which means I will see you. So it would have been correct if the phrase was I will see you. Instead is goodbye, which means shala gabotse. So on the comment section, please drop how many points you got so that it can be easily to track your progress from day 1 up to day 21. So don't forget that I have launched an online lesson of Sepedi 1-to-1 tutoring. If you would like to know more about it, please email my email. If you would like to know more about it, I have put my email on the video description and on the comment section. And don't forget to stay tuned and not to miss any day challenge. So